Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see here, for the past few days I've been working on Frankenstein. Well, I was thinking, what about Frankenstein's wife, or as she is called, the Bride of Frankenstein? So here's a cute rendition of the Bride of Frankenstein. So if you have your pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.